Training has come a long way in the past decade, but most companies still struggle to meaningfully upskill their workforce in a way that directly benefits the organization and employees. QuantHub has designed a platform to solve this problem by harnessing the power of AI and the methodology of microlearning. Our approach meets your workforce where they are and guides them to where they need to be. Users are able to choose learning activities based on our recommendations through the Ask Chip function. If an employee is asked to represent a dataset in a scatter plot, they can simply ask Chip how to create a scatter plot, and then they can easily access resources to help. For daily skill growth, users can follow their recommended path by selecting one of their learning activities. These activities take only 5 to 10 minutes to complete. A user begins by reading, watching, or listening to the curated resources and then completing a short quiz to check their understanding. Resources are curated for quality and content. We do not give preference to any one content provider. If you have access to a premium content provider such as LinkedIn Learning or dataliteracy.com, we can utilize those in creating a personalized data skills learning journey for each employee. Learning activities utilize a unique scenario-based question and answer format that allows you to answer on a sliding scale of competence. Once a user completes 5 learning activities, it's time for a knowledge check. These knowledge checks are designed to review material they've just learned, review concepts learned a week or even a month ago, and then to analyze if the user is ready for the next step in their learning journey. What makes us unique is that we anticipate when someone is likely to forget material, as well as adjust recommendations based on how well a user has progressed. We use this to bring the concepts back in front of a user exactly when they need them in order to maximize learning. At the end of each knowledge check, users see a report of the data skills they've made progress in. Learning progress is reflected in a rating on the dashboard. QuantHub Upskill has 4 levels that build on each other: Data Citizen, Data Storyteller, Data Strategist, and Data Explorer. Managers and department leaders have the ability to gather vital insights on their team's strengths and weaknesses with the company dashboard. The dashboard features a heat map of employees and skill sets they've begun working on. They can also see how learners compare across skills, increasing your visibility of critical gaps in specific skill sets. The real-time snapshot provides key information on usage, rating, and level. The Reports tab provides the ability to download the same information in the form of a CSV. With QuantHub Upskill, it's finally possible to bring your workforce up to the data skill level needed to compete in a digital world. Employees enjoy the bite-sized learning that's tailored to them, and managers love watching skill gaps close. This all accumulates to better business outcomes and employees who are more confident and skilled. A win for everyone. Ready to get started?